have here square which I made of simple A4 size papers. I have a large size of 12 by 12 centimeters, a smaller size of 10 by 10 centimeters, and a small size of 4 by 4 centimeters. We will fold these in half, draw half of a heart on it, and cut it out. That's the same that we'll be doing with these two papers as well. I have here the white hearts that we just made. These are in 3 different sizes, and we are going to use this as a stencil on colored paper. I took 7 different colors paper. If you want, you can take more papers. We are going to use the colored papers, and we are going to make hearts. First we will do the large one. We will use this on white color paper, and we will make white hearts. In total we will be needing 13 pieces of like this. These are the hearts that I made. Then we'll take the medium size. We'll use this as a stencil on colored paper. We will use different colors of papers, and we will make 13 different pieces. Next we'll take the smallest piece, and we will use this on 2 different colors. I have used yellow and red. We will make 4 small pieces of the red color and 4 small pieces of the yellow color. We will take the large heart of white color, and we will take a small color heart. Apply glue on the back side of this, and we are going to paste this in the middle like this. And this is the same way we are going to paste all the middle size hearts on top of the white color. After we have made these hearts, I have made here letters of white paper. I have made the letters for the word happy birthday, and we are going to paste each letter on a heart that we made. Don't forget that while pasting the letters, you'll turn the letter for the other side, then apply glue, turn it over, and then paste it on the heart. Do this with each letter. After pasting the letters on the hearts, we'll take ribbon. I have 2 pieces ribbon here in red color, and we are going to paste 2 small hearts, then our first word happy. We'll paste the letters with tape. First we'll paste all the letters of the word happy on one ribbon, and then the word birthday on the second piece of ribbon with 2 small hearts on both corners. After we have pasted the letters and the 2 hearts on the corners, we will take the small stencil of the white color again, and we will make small hearts in the same colors that we have our banner in. So each banner will make the same color heart for it using this stencil. After that we'll take 2 pieces of crepe paper. Each piece is 8 by 6 centimeters. We'll place them on top of each other, fold it like this in half, fold it one more time, and make long cuts in this. Not till the end. We'll leave 1 or 2 centimeters uncut. Then we'll open it up, roll one piece, and roll the second piece on top of this. And we will put a small piece of tape on the top side. Next we'll take a small piece of thread of 6 centimeters. We will paste this thread with a piece of tape on the back side of our heart. We will paste one piece of the heart under it, and on the bottom side we'll take the small frill that we made, and we'll paste this with tape under the small heart. And like this we are going to paste all the hearts and all the frills on the heart banner. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Check out the other videos on my channel. I have many other birthday decorations and all kinds of other decorations on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something amazing to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then click on the red subscribe button so you don't lose my channel.